company name.
Are you entering in the competition?
No, I'm actually playing in the band.
Oh, good.
Hang on.
Straight up!
We've only got Coke or lemonade.
Sneezing? There you go.
Come on, Karen.
I've been
Dad?
Well done, Dom.
Right.
Well done. What was that? It's a beef underneath and the sponge on top.
Yep.
Savoury sponge on top.
So you savoury sponge mixed what with?
Oh, same as all sponges except it's got pepper and parsley and
Yeah.
so you got your flour and your eggs and your salt and milk and pep.
Revealed.
We haven't worked out a name for it yet.
Several different mistakes. I get an extra. You want what you want it, you want it. Go.
It's a chicken breast stuffed with a chicken mousse of spinach, basil, pine nuts and feta.
What sort of stock?
Just a vegetable stock, just all the trimmings and cuttings. And being served
chili?
with, oh yeah, a little bit of chili, yeah. And some asparagus spears to go with it. And roast chat potatoes stuffed with bacon, basil, rosemary, thyme, sage and an anchovy fillet.
The meat looks good. What's in it? It's an Irish stew.
Yeah.
Just a whole lot of potatoes.
Beef, potatoes, onions, carrots, Irish stock. Not Australian stock, it's like Irish stock. Anyone? This?
Oh, yeah. It's going to be chili con carne. Kangaroo.
With kangaroo. Have you cooked it with kangaroo before?
Oh, yes. Mince. Kangaroo mince.
Lamb chop.
Chili con carne.
Chop lamb.
Yep.
Beans, potato, carrot. Some pieces.
That's how you use them things.
Wow, that's great.
How you use them.
Might be nice, Brent. Brent, good night. It's all fat. No, come on.
Huh? What? Oh.
What's that rabbit? It's really good. This one? I knew I could.
How you know?
How you want to? Oh, that looks brilliant.
We call them rellenos in the States, mate.
You want me to carry that?
Give me 10 minutes, finish feeding it, and then we'll be off mine. Yeah, there's more.
Bring this window. Yeah.
So you can bean hasn't got too much water in it?
Oh, better when it's full, mate.
Yeah.
You can put butter and everything in them, but I wouldn't worry too much. That's it. That's all we've got to do. Oh, there's a bit of heat straight in there.
You were just contagious. I just contagious.
Oh, Cook, can you put your forms in for entry? Hey, what's the bid? Call the last go. Here, boys.
Easy, man.
That's exactly right. I never signed it. Not one of the unions? Yeah.
I don't want to drop all the shit in. Take a photo, that's
Thai chicken curry.
I'll worry you.
And it's got chicken.
Curry. You and me can do it.
Chris is the new barbecue.
So what's the marinade?
Who knows?
Two categories. That's fine.
Nice train the baby.
Where's the fire going?
Go for that on your dish. Try and get a couple.
Oh, well.
Oh no, I've already got someone trying to find the rabbit. That's what.
Where's Allison? I got a job with Allison.
There's always plenty of tucker there.
5 cases?
Yes, sir. There is. Spaghetti balls never watches.
What's that? It's come up. Had some sausages, that's good.
Comes out of the kitty.
Bread, bloody beautiful. Yeah.
That's great. Thank you very kindly for your work. Coming.
Guys, you set the green on fire. I'm gonna be in shit for this.
I better hold it.
Until it gets okay, take them. Don't drop them. Wait, lock them. No!